Hey students, it's Brother MacArthur here. Hey, just want to give you a quick screencast for the week. This one will be much shorter than previous week. First of all, thank you. You guys are off to a fantastic start. I'm really excited for you. You have listened well on the instructions. You've followed them well. Some general feedback. Your questions are fantastic that you're asking your groups. Your comments about and your original discussion posts are fantastic. As a whole, and this might make some of you happy in a way, some of the comments are a little long, so you can shorten those a little bit if you want to. But as a whole, you're doing great. So keep up the great work. All right, let me show you for this week what you've got for this week. You're going to come in, you're going to go to lesson 3. And this week we study Article of Faith number 2. So remember, this stuff right here, due midweek, this is what's due by Wednesday, 11 p.m. Mountain Time. These 3 items right here, all right? Then Saturday, by 11 p.m., those 3 things are due, okay? And that's just the way this repeats the entire semester. On the one hand, it's nice for you. If you're still unsure about that stuff, go back and watch my video for week number 2. All right, let me just go down and say one thing here generally about the reflection and synthesis. It's a simple thing, but sometimes can be overlooked. Don't forget the word counts. When you download the actual template, it tells you where the word counts are. So please be within those word counts. I know it sounds a little crazy, but one of the things they really emphasize in this particular course is your ability to synthesize. And sometimes it's easy to go on and on and on and talk about things, but it's really hard to keep things simple. So just keep an eye on that because that will affect your grade. But most important thing, here we go, study assignment. I'm excited for you this week as you study about agency and the fall. And so you come right here, this is what you're going to study. Everything is the scriptures this week. You're going to study in the scriptures. Sometimes it helps a little bit to look before and after these verses if it helps give the context. But one of the truths that's often overlooked with the fall is that to truly understand the atonement of Jesus Christ, we've got to understand the fall. Because when I understand the fall, then I realize I have a need for a redeemer, for Jesus Christ. If I don't get the fall, I won't get the atonement of Jesus Christ. So enjoy this study this week. And then you're going to look at personal accountability and to study those verses right there as well. So students, have a fantastic week. I'm here for you. If you've got any questions or anything like that, let me know. I read all your posts. I obviously can't, and they don't let me respond to every single one of them. But I'm there with you. So thanks for what you're doing, students. Have a great week.